Christmas lights glisten. I've got my eye on the door, just waiting for you to walk in. But the time is ticking. People ask me how I've been as I comb back through my memory. How you said you'd be here. You said you'd be here. And it was like slow motion, sitting there in my party dress, in red lipstick, with no one to impress, and they're all laughing as I'm looking around the room. But there was one thing missing, and that was the moment I knew. And the hours pass by. Now I just wanna be alone, but your close friends always seem to know when there's something really wrong. So they follow me down the hall, and there in the bathroom, I try not to fall apart, and the sinking feeling starts as I say hopelessly, he said he